Here I'm going to explain synthetic division in polynomials. So whenever a polynomial is of a higher degree, it is difficult to factorize by using the remainder theorem. But by using the synthetic division method, we can find out the factors, reminders, and the quotients of the given polynomial. Okay, so here I'm going to explain the synthetic division with one good example. So this is my question. Factorize the polynomial x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24, given that x minus 2 is a factor. This is a polynomial, right? It is having a degree 3. That means at most we will have a 3 factors. We can write 3 factors. So first of all, let's take the given polynomial as a f of x. So I'm going to take here f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. Now, this is a first factor, right? So let's take that first factor is equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0. What is x? When you get it transposed to this side, x is equal to 2. Okay, first we will take the factor and make it as equal to the 0 and find the x value. Then, what you have to write? First, you need to write the coefficients of the terms in a row. Okay, in a row. So, x cube coefficient is 1 here. Okay, and x square coefficient is minus 3 with a little distance. And x coefficient is minus 10. And the constant term at last 24. So, from this polynomial, we need to separate the coefficients and put them in a row. This is the first step. Then, we are going to divide this with x is equal to 2. With x is equal to 2. So, next step, write the 0 under the first coefficient. What is our first coefficient? 1. So, under this, we need to put a 0. Okay, and add them. 1 plus 0 is a 1. Next, we need to multiply these reminders with the divisor. So, x is equal to 2 is my divisor. Okay, 2 1s are 2. Minus 3 plus 2 gives minus 1. Minus 1 times 2. So, 2 1s are 2 minus 2. Minus 10 minus 2, if you add, you will get a minus 12. Next, plus into minus, minus 12 2s are 24. So, plus 24 minus 24 gives the 0. So, this is our remainder. Okay. So, what I did, under the first quotient, you need to write the 0 and add them. After adding, we need to multiply with the divisor. 2 1s are 2. So on like that. So, the last term, whatever we are getting after adding, that is the remainder. Now, I can write this f of x as the first factor is x minus 2, which is given in the question. And this cubic polynomial, now I can express as this, one of the factor as a quadratic polynomial. Here, how many numbers I have? 1, 2, 3. So, with these 3 numbers, I can make a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means the degree 2, right? So, it will be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So, now ax square means 1x square. 1x square is nothing but x square. Plus bx. So, minus 1x. b is minus 1 here. 1x. Next, c is minus 12, constant term. So, given factor into this quotient. This is the quotient and this is the remainder. The last term is the remainder. So, with these 3 terms as a quotient, I made as a quadratic polynomial. Now, we know how to find out the factors from the quadratic polynomial, right? First, we will take the splitting the middle term method we will follow here. So, minus 12, we will take this. Minus 12 into 1 is minus 12. If we write the factors, 1 12s are 12, 2 6 are 12, and next 3 table, 3 4s are 12. 4 came off. So, hence we can stop writing. So, splitting the middle term means in middle, we have a negative 1x. So which two factors, if you add or subtract, is giving -1, we need to check. 1 and 12 will not give. 12 minus 1 is not a 1, or 12 plus 1 is not a 1. 2 plus 6 is 8, right? 6 minus 2 is a 4, it's not a 1. 3 plus 4 is a 7, but 4 minus 3 gives 1. So this is our required factors. But our answer is -1. So greater number put minus, and the smaller number you put a plus. So -4 plus 3 gives -1. And when we multiply 3 4s are -12. -4 into 3 gives -12. So here we can write this as a splitting the middle term method. So x square as it is. Instead of this middle term, we are writing it as a 2 factors. Plus 3x minus 4x, which gives -1x, minus 12. Now here, in these two terms, x is common. So I'm putting x outside. If 1x came out, means 1x is left. Plus x already came out, 3 is left. Minus here, no x term is here. So -4 and -12 means this 12 has a factor 4. So you can take the HCF 4 outside common. So here x left, and minus already came out, means inside the sign will change. It's a plus. 4 3 is a 12, so 3 times. 12 is divided by 4 means it gives 3 times as a quotient. Now x minus 2. X plus 3 can be written as 1s, hence it is repeated. And remaining these two numbers make it as a 1 factor. So hence the 3 factors are x minus 2, x plus 3, x minus 4. So this is the factorization by using the synthetic method. When one factor is given, so we found the 2 remaining factors as this. Hope you understood. See many more videos and share the knowledge. Thank you.